Here at the NextGen National Conference, I'm talking to David Francis of Catapult. David, you're on a session today, and one of the important things you were saying about cities when they're looking at being smart, they should look at the issues first, not the technologies.
Yeah, that's right. I think cities are dealing with a number of issues, whether that's traffic and congestion, air pollution, inequality, the rising demand that they've got with regards to services at the same time as budgets are being cut. You know, these are the real issues cities are facing. More and more people are living in cities, so it's about understanding those issues and then figuring out how technology can be used to address them.
Yeah, and those people are very, very demanding, wanting multiple devices, you name it. At that point, is that where your organisation comes in?
Yeah, I mean, we see ourselves as being a convener, really. I mean, we are one of 7 catapults, and the premise for setting us up is that, you know, in the UK we have world-leading universities and research capabilities. We've got leading companies in key sectors, but we could be better at bringing them together. So we're the Future Cities Catapult, and we're focused on doing that in cities, so working with cities, business and academia to develop products and services that can address some of these real issues they're having to face.
What do cities, what do they have to do if they want to become smart? What do they really have to do? What's the key element?
Yeah, we're not starting from scratch. I mean, most cities get it now. They understand that technology is happening in their cities. People are already using technology, whether that's through things like Airbnb or Uber or getting stuff delivered through Amazon. So these things are already happening. Technology is having an impact already, and I think, you know, UK cities, they're now starting to include the use of technology when they're thinking about how they can organise themselves as cities. And actually, it's not just down to the local authority; it's down to how they work with citizens and with business, and sort of distribute the power a little bit. And you know, open data is often used as an example of, you know, making it open source, making it available, and just letting people run with it, and being aware of the fact that not only can it improve public services if you use technology effectively, but it also can be a driver of the economy in itself.
Yeah, so there's a lot already happening really within a lot of these cities that people aren't really totally aware of. They're becoming smarter, perhaps not totally realising it.
Yeah, I mean, I guess, you know, when you add all the changes up together, it starts to paint a picture, and it's just about recognising that that's the way cities now function, and understanding that, you know, it comes back to this point about cities being a system of systems. So, you know, if you're dealing with the need to use energy in a more efficient way, then maybe part of that solution is to think about how you manage waste in a city, because, you know, some of the waste could be used to produce energy. So it's about how we integrate the different systems within a city and how we allow businesses and people to take more control of some of the solutions, products and services that are out there, and we're looking to kind of accelerate that process.
Very interesting. Thanks very much for talking to us today.
Thank you.